This is the AT. I'm walking down Carriage Lane, 8:45 a.m. I didn't know this was a residential neighborhood, basically. I'm telling you, these road walks, I think this is what messed up my shoes and my feet more than anything. No joke. You can always feel it. One thing about New Jersey and now New York, it's been nice. I've heard cars non-stop, like 24/7 almost. At night, not so much, but during the day, it feels like at one point there was a shelter with roads on both sides, so you could hear. Alright, I'm gonna find where I'm going. Alright, just a good old 3-mile road walk to start the day. Walking into a wildlife refuge, something or other. And apparently there's a guy who can get water at his house. So looking forward to that. These road walks. And I mean, this is just, there's obviously no sidewalk, but there's no walking area. In fact, I should probably put my phone down just in case. There have been a couple cars. But it's a nice day. Sun's out, but it's windy. It's probably about upper 80s, but with a breeze, so great hiking weather. See, I start thinking there's no way this is a trail, but that's it. Yeah, this is some New York junk, honestly. Just walking down a road for 3 miles. I don't get it. Here we go. Yep. I love it. I usually go side to side, but I got my water bottle in my left hand, the phone in my right hand. I'm walking pretty fast. But yeah, I'm gonna keep on hiking and I guess see where we end up. Okay, walking through the wildlife refuge. Pretty cool spot. So the famous drive-in is about 14 miles ahead. And apparently you can, camp there, watch movies. I don't know. I don't really want to watch a movie. Or any modern movie. I mean, somebody was telling me what they're playing and it's nothing interesting. So, I'm not really looking at staying there. It's either 9 or 14 miles from the road back there, so I think it's probably 14. So I don't know. I'm just doing my hiking thing here. Good day. A little warm. It's the sun out. Overhead. It's killing me. Alright, hiking on. Okay, little spot off the trail. About 11:30. Did get a late start today, but finished about 8 last night. And today I got started around 8:30. But this looks like a great spot to take a break. It's been a pretty good day. I've hiked about 6 or 7 miles. I have no idea how far I'm going today, so we will see. But it's break time. Check with y'all later. ATV track over there. I don't know what that music is. It's been playing monotonous like that for 10 minutes. But that'd be pretty cool. But even the dang UPS driver hauling tail. Oh my. There you go. New York City. After that road walk today, more of my shoes, the bottom of my shoe started coming off. Note, I said more of it. It was on a different, it was on my left foot today. So that's, now it's synchronized. I do think it's the road walks. It took a long little break. There's one big climb left. And that was a decent climb today, actually. So far. A lot of flat, though, obviously. So one pretty big climb, and now we got another one. That's really, it's all the hard work I got to do today, I believe. For the rest of the day, I should say. Alright, hiking on. I believe I re-entered New Jersey, and I'm either just left it or about to for good. So about 6 o'clock Thursday. Looking for a campsite about 0.4 away. So it's going to be kind of a short day, but it's going to be about 11 or 12 miles. So if this spot is on the other side of this hill, if it works out. So all right, hiking on. All right, I am at mile marker 1361. Sorry about that. Had a hunch it was a good spot, and it is based on, but I had a hunch based on the comments. Got it's a little alcove right off the trail is what I'm gonna call it. Some water right there. And I am. This is going back south. So the trail goes this way. I'm right over here. Side trail, go downhill and bow. It's a spacious site, and got this little rock here, big rock I guess. Those are super convenient, especially for in the morning getting ready. So yeah, it's about 7:30. I have eaten, I have washed up. I just gotta floss, brush my teeth, and get into bed. And I've been lately kind of staying up. I haven't been going to sleep. I'm staying up to about 10. So it was a good day, about 13 miles. I think it was 12.9, so not a big mile day, but I took a long break at lunchtime, like 11:30 to 3. And it was a tough climb today, a couple tough climbs, but most of the miles were pretty easy, pretty straight, flat, and could push on 3-4 more miles will get me to the shelter. I just don't really care enough about making sure I'm getting my 16, because I'll do those next 3 miles in an hour and 15 minutes tomorrow morning. So with fresh legs, coffee, etc. But yeah, good day. I think I'm about out of New Jersey, or I am out of New Jersey. And I'm just gonna hunker down here for the night. So gotta go floss, brush my teeth, hang up my bear bag, which I already got the rope hung. The first branch was too high, and I threw the whole thing up. It just all went over and came back over the rope. So like one end went all the way over. Or excuse me, both ends did. Anyway, I'm done today. Catch you later. Hiking on. All right. It is July 27, Saturday, 9 o'clock. Mile marker 1364-ish. Trying to get to that 1400 or close to it tomorrow. It's a great morning. I slept like a baby last night. It was Friday night, so I had that battery, and I was gonna stay up and watch a movie or something. I had good service, but about 9 o'clock, 9:30, I fell asleep, and I didn't wake up till 6:30. I mean, I just slept. So that was about, what, 10 hours or so. You know, it's not often that I wake up and it's light outside. So I took it slow this morning. Left around about, well, 8:30. I was gonna say 30 minutes ago, but a little over 30 minutes ago. Don't have anywhere in particular today. There's some elevation, it looks like, today. I mean, really, it goes unsaid every day. I'd like to do X amount of miles. It'd always be good. The more miles, the better, but just take it as it goes. So, you know, I expect more than 10 miles today, but more than 15, I don't know. We'll see. I'm telling you, these bugs, oh my goodness, that's the only negative. Which actually last night they weren't that bad at my little spot. I'm telling you, I think it was the sound of water running behind me that just put me to sleep. But I woke up feeling pretty good. Body feels good. It's actually day 103. I just looked at it. These big bugs. Yeah, day 103, I did the math. I think I'm averaging, based on where I'm at, which is not down, or maybe, yeah, it was down to the mile, 13.24, so 13 and a quarter mile, basically. It's not too bad. And like yesterday, I did 12.9, so feels like that's about what I do. But yeah, what a great day. Feels good, a little chill in the air. And it's funny, this morning as I started hiking, I was ready to climb, and I totally forgot that I did the big climb yesterday. So I've just been going flat and downhill to start my day. Pretty cool. I do need to gotta make a note of this. I gotta get some more duct tape. My quilt is leaking down, or whatever it is. But it is, somehow I woke up, had another rip in it, and that thing, if it was going to stay the current temperature the rest of the hike, I would have no problem using it throughout, because it's a 10 degrees, so even if it loses some warmth, but I'm a little concerned for up north, or higher up in Vermont. I think I'm going to get my cold weather stuff in Massachusetts. But really, I think I'll be alright. I think I can just keep patching it up. My only other option is like 25, I think. But yeah, so I'll probably stay with my quilt, but it's going in the trash after this hike for sure. It served me pretty well. It's super comfortable, but man, it's flimsy. I got duct tape all over that thing. For the price I paid too, it was like 3 something. But you know, it's been pretty good. I haven't been super delicate with it. I don't feel like I throw it around too much either. But if it's to get me through 2,200 miles, I'll say it's worth, $350 or whatever it was. Underquilt's doing better. And that thing, it's a lifesaver. So, alright, I'm hike, so I don't have to have this stuff in my face here. Oh, never mind. But yeah, I was thinking about my pace and all that. Obviously, on one hand, I'd like to do more miles every day, but I'm just gonna. I mean, my body's healthy. I'm enjoying it, other than the bugs. It won't leave me alone. You know, I haven't had any thoughts to go home, no serious thoughts. So, but I just stay with my current pace. Well, I'm gonna hike on here. Alright, see y'all later. Okay, pretty cool spot here. About 4:45. I have about 6 miles I want to do. Pretty good day of hiking. Really good weather. It's been hard to follow the trail today, but that's about the only complaint. Oh goodness, rocks. Yeah, cool spot. Could not see the New York City skyline. Not even close. So, wanted to make a note of that. Alright, hiking on.